Hey everyone, if you want to improve the video quality in DroidCam and make your webcam look sharper and more professional, you're in the right place. In this guide, I'll show you a few simple settings that can make a big difference. So let's get started. First, make sure you're using the latest version of both the DroidCam app and the DroidCam client on your computer. Updates often include performance improvements and better video quality. Next, if possible, use a USB connection instead of Wi-Fi. Yeah, a USB connection usually provides a more stable signal with lower latency and fewer video drops. Now place your phone in a well-lit area. Good lighting has a huge impact on video quality. Natural light or a bright desk lamp positioned in front of you will usually produce much clearer results. After that, open the DroidCam settings and choose the highest resolution your device supports without causing lag. You can also adjust the frame rate if your computer is powerful enough to handle it smoothly. Don't forget to clean your phone's camera lens before every call or recording. Even a small fingerprint can make your video appear blurry. If you're streaming or recording in apps like OBS Studio, Zoom, or Discord, select the highest available camera resolution in those applications as well for the best image quality. And that's it. You've learned several easy ways to improve DroidCam video quality. With better lighting, the right settings, and a stable connection, your phone can produce excellent webcam video. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next